Hello, it's me again. Now today I'm going to teach you how to do double digit multiplication, like 10 times 10 and 12 times 26. But I recommend that you already know how to do normal multiplication, like 8 times 8 before you learn this video, because I'm not going to teach you to do that. I'm just going to teach double digit. Now, here's the example. I'm like, don't record. Okay, like 12 times 14. Okay, now 12, wait, let me rewrite it.
Bienvenidos a Spanish for 101.
12. Now, the first step is the same thing as you would do in a normal problem. Like in a normal problem, like a one-digit multiplication, 1 by 1, 6 times 3. You would do 6 times 3, which is 18. So, step 1 for this, you would do the same thing. 4 times 2, which equals 8. Okay? Which equals 8. You would do 4 times 2, which equals 8. And then, that's step 1. And then step 2 would be, we would have 8, would be, this. We already did that. So now we're going to do this. Like, instead of going straight like that, you're going diagonals like that. Or instead of going like that, you're going diagonal. Keyword, diagonal. And what's 4 times 1 equals 4. And then, since you went diagonal, if you didn't get that part, then go back to the video and watch that. And now here's step 3. 3. Okay, step 3 is, wait, let me write the problem.
Come here, I want to show you something.
Oh no, 12 times 14. Okay, we already did that part and that part, which equals 48. Now, we're going to do the same thing as we did earlier. This and this, but instead with the 4, but instead with the 4, we do it with the 1, like this and this. That will be our next 2 steps. But for step 3, those are not our steps. For step 3, it's this. So we already have 48. So now we're going to do 1 times 2. You might have thought we would do 1 times 1 like that, but we're doing diagonal first. Actually, for this number, you would do diagonal. Like for any problem, you would do diagonal. After you have 48, you would do diagonal. You would do diagonal.
Okay.
You would start with the next number. After you do this and this, you would do this, and then you would go to the next number and do this. And right now, and 1 times 2 equals 2, so you put it right here. You're probably thinking to put it right here, but you're wrong if you do, because you're supposed to put it right here, because you need to pretend that there's a imaginary 0 right here. You don't have to write it, but you can pretend. Like I do. And then you just put it, like there's a digit right here, an 8. You just skip that place right there where the 1's digit, and move it to the 10's digit. Skip the 1's digit to the 10's digit. And so and now let's go to step 4. You already have 48 and 2. Now we do that. Now we do this. 1 times 1. So pretty much it equals 1. And so you go like that and do it this way. So pretty much it's like straight, then diagonal, then diagonal, and straight. And in step 4, you put, like for this one, you put the 8 right there and the 4 right there. Like you put that and you put it, and then for the next step you skip the 1's digit place and put it for the 10 digit place. And then you do that, you put in the 1 and the 100 digit place because it needs to go after the 2. The last step is you add them. So for the last step is you add you add the 2 numbers right here to get your answer. So I'm gonna pretend there's an imaginary 0 right there, and then 8 plus 0 equals 8. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then 1 plus 0, imaginary 0 equals 1. So your answer for that question is 168. Right there is your answer. So that's how you do that. And now that's how you do that kind. If you didn't get it, just go back to the video and rewatch it. Now I'm gonna erase it. And now, one more example, then we'll end the video. So this next example, I'm gonna be using a red. Okay. So today's problem. Right now, we're gonna be doing a different problem. We're gonna do 26 times 15. No, not times 15. Times 2. No, 12. So, to do this problem, you would do this, like I taught you earlier, and it equals 12. But this time it equals 12. It's different. It goes more than 10. Since it goes more than 10, you don't write 12 here like that. That is wrong. Instead, you don't write 12 there. Whoa. This is step 1. You don't write 12 there. You just write the second letter of it. You just write like 12, you just write the 1's place. You just write the 1's place of that number. 1's. You don't write a 10. So let's pretend it was 84. You would just write the 1's place, which is 4. Don't write the 10's place. Just the 1's. 99. Same thing, just the 1's. So, and then with the extra, since you only wrote 2, because that's the 1's place, there's another 1 from 12, because you used the 2 already. Now you learn what you do with the extra 1. For the extra 1, you need to put a 1 right here to do the extra 1. If it was a 9 or an 8 or 7 or 6, you would put it there. You could put a 9, a 7, or 6, or whatever. But right now we have a 1. It's like, so if it was 18, you would put 1 there. If it was 88, you would put 8 here. But right now we just need to put a 1 there because it's only 12. Now, so this marker is not working again. So it's an equal way. Hold on. Okay, so now that we have that 2 and the 1 there. Okay, now step 2. You already have 2 and carry the 1 over there. But now you do the same thing as last time, just do this. But now put the 1 on top of the 2. Put the 1 on top of the 2. Like I say, we carry the 1 to the next section. Now that we have that, we would add the 1. Like 2 times 2 equals 4, but we need to add the 1 to make it 5. We add the 1 because we just need to. Because we can't write 12 here. We can't write 12 there. Or that'd be wrong. So we need to add the 1 right here. And so 2 times 2 is 4, but you add the 1, it's 5. And anytime that happens, you need to add the 1. Like if that was a 4 and a 3, no, that was a 4 and a 2, that was 8, you add the 1 and that'd be 9. But it's 2 and 2. That's step 2. Now step 3 is to do 26 times 12 is, we already have 52. Do the same thing as earlier. Get the 1 from here and do it this way. And 1 times 6 equals 6. And 1 times 2, sorry, I messed up. I went over and ahead. I didn't mean to do 1 times 2, but since I already did it, we'll just do it. Equals 2. Okay, now step 4 is we add them. So 20 plus 26. Wait, I messed up. I forgot to add my imaginary 0. 26. You don't need to add the 0. You still can pretend there's a 0 in there, right? 2. Wait. Hold on. Let me redo this problem. Wait. Yeah, and then 2, and then you write 0. Wait. No, not a 0. I messed up there. So, hold on. So we have 2, and we have 6 plus 5. It's 11. Okay? If y'all know how to do normal addition, y'all know to carry the 1 over to the 2 and add it like 3. That's the same thing as multiplication. Up there, you just carry the 1 over just like an addition. If you're doing double addition math, it's just the same thing, and you add like for addition, it's just the same thing. Like 13 plus 19. If this is 2, you would carry the 1 over just like normal addition. Almost 1 equals 2, then you add the 3. You carry the 1 over, which is 3. Just like here, you do 2 times 2, and you carry the 1 over, and it equals 5. Just like in normal addition. But so that your answer is 312. I missed that. But now I have one more example for you. Last example for y'all.
I think you can do this later.
Really fast. Okay. Last example is it. Okay. Step 1, it equals. Let's say it was 25 times. Wait. No. 99 times 99. You do 9 times 9 equals 1. Then 8. The same as 8. So you need to add the 8. And then step 2 is. We already have the 1, but we had the 8 there. So 9 times 9 was 81 again, but we needed to add the 8. And 81 plus 8, and now sorry, 81 plus 8 equals 89. So write 89 there. This one right here is not a 1-digit number. If it goes into the tens, then you just write the whole digit number, since there's no number right here to multiply by 9 or 9. So then step 3 is you do 9 times 9 again, like I taught y'all. 9 times 9 equals, we already have 800. 9 times 9 equals 81. We put the 1 here, imaginary 0. And then, 81, put the 8 here. Yeah, you can also, if you go right here, you put the 8 there. And then it equals 81. And then step 4, you do and then you do, we already have, then you do 9 times 9 again. which E plus 8 equals 81 again. No, 89. And then, wait, let me add the addition. Wait, let me don't record this part over here. Just record the board right there. Okay, so now step 5 is we add them. So 891 plus 890. Wait, no, I messed up right there real quick. Let me do that. Step 5. 9. We have 891, imaginary 0, then 1, and then we add them. 1, 10, carry the 1 like in normal math. Then 9 times 2, 10, then add the 8, 18, carry another 1 like in normal math. The 8 plus 1 equals 9. The answer is 9. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Okay, so you do, yeah, so your answer is 9A01. That's your answer. Now, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe. Bye!